Dalmatian. 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 Oh, wake up. Why? Because the sun is awake. So I'm awake. And when I'm awake by myself, I'm bored. Well, I don't care. I have an idea. Let me go to sleep. Do you want some kibble? Huh? Wow! You're only gonna play with me because you want food. What a friend you are. Mother Clocker, come here, please. What do you freaking want? I need help. Yoshi is bored, but I'm tired. And he wants me to play. So what am I gonna do? Then just play with him. Problem solved. And the shooting star rocket science. Now let me go to bed, baby. Can you play now, please? No. Play! If you don't wake up in 5, 4, 3, 2, what you gonna do? Ow, your nose is big and hard. Ow, 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 ow. Clicker, would you like to play? No. What have I done? I've killed both of my best friends. I've killed Mr. Clicker, and I've killed the Dalmatian. Well, actually, forget Dalmatian, but I killed Mother Clucker. This is bad. Very bad. Now I need to say the words again to revive him as a ghost. Abracadabra! Oh. Yoshi? Yes, Dalmatian? Did you kill me? No. Then why am I freaking flying? You're dreaming? Oh, that's believable. Okay. Phew! That was close. Now I need to revive Mother Clicker. Abracadabra! I'm already alive. Oh. In fact, so was Dalmatian. He just wants to be a ghost. You're not strong at all with your wimpy arms. In fact, you suck very badly. Good night. Dalmatian? Yes? Did you lie to me? No. Then why did Mother Clucker tell me that you were alive? Because you're dreaming? Okay, that's believable. Good night, everybody.